Good day, everyone. I am Teacher Ann. Today, we're going to study about cells. Are you ready to learn the basic units of life? Let's start.
Okay, students, I want you to close your eyes and picture a brick wall. What is the basic building block of that wall? A single brick, of course. Like a brick wall, your body is composed of basic building blocks, and the building blocks of your body are cells. Cells as building blocks. A cell is the smallest unit of a living thing. A living thing, whether made of one cell, like bacteria, or many cells, like a human, is called an organism. Thus, cells are the basic building blocks of all organisms. Several cells of one kind that interconnect with each other and perform a shared function form tissues. Several tissues combined to form an organ, such as your stomach, heart, or brain. And several organs make up an organ system, such as the digestive system, circulatory system, or nervous system. Several systems that function together form an organism like a human being. There are many types of cells, all grouped into one of two broad categories. We have the prokaryotic and eukaryotic. For example, both animal and plant cells are classified as eukaryotic cells, whereas bacterial cells are classified as prokaryotic. In today's lesson, we're going to explore the similarities and differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. The single-celled organisms of the domain bacteria and archaea are classified as prokaryotes. Pro means before, karyon means nucleus. Animal cells, plant cells, fungi, and protists are eukaryotes, which means you as true. How does coronavirus attack your body? A virus infects your body by entering healthy cells. There, the invader makes copies of itself and multiplies throughout your body. The new coronavirus latches its spiky surface proteins to receptors on healthy cells, especially those in your lungs. Specifically, the viral proteins boost into cells through ACE2 receptors. Once inside, the coronavirus hijacks healthy cells and takes command. Eventually, it kills some of the healthy cells. All cells share four common components. We have one, a plasma membrane, or an outer covering that separates the cell's interior from its surrounding environment. Second, the cytoplasm, consisting of a jelly-like region within the cell in which other cellular components are found. Third, the DNA, the genetic material of the cell. And fourth, ribosomes, particles that synthesize protein. Prokaryotic cell is a simple, single-celled unicellular organism that lacks a nucleus or any other membrane-bound organelle. We will shortly come to see that this is significantly different in eukaryotes. Prokaryotic DNA is found in the central part of the cell, a darkened region called the nucleoid, wherein you can find in Figure 1. Unlike archaea and eukaryotes, bacteria have a cell wall made of peptidoglycan, comprised of sugar and amino acids, and many have a polysaccharide capsule. The cell wall acts as an extra layer of protection, helps the cell maintain its shapes and prevent dehydration. The capsule enables the cell to attach to surfaces in its environment. Some prokaryotes have flagella, villi, or membrae. Flagella are used for locomotion, while most villi are used to exchange genetic materials during a type of reproduction called conjugation. A eukaryotic cell is a cell that has a membrane-bound nucleus and other membrane-bound compartments or sacs called organelles, which have specialized functions. The word eukaryotic means true kernel or true nucleus, alluding to the presence of the membrane-bound nucleus in these cells. The word organelle means little organ, and as we learned earlier, organelles have specialized cellular functions just as the organ of your body have specialized functions. Let us have the key difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. 1. Prokaryotic cells are the primitive kind of cell, whose size varies from 0.5 to 3 micrometer. They are generally found in the single-celled organisms, while eukaryotic cells are the modified cell structures containing different components in it. Their size varies from 2 to 100 micrometer. They are found in multicellular organisms. Organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, cell wall, chloroplast are absent in prokaryotic cells, while these organelles are found in eukaryotic organisms. Though cell wall and chloroplast are not found in the animal cell, it is present in the green plant cell, few bacteria, and algae. The main difference between prokaryotic cells and the eukaryotic cell is the nucleus, which is not well defined in prokaryotic, whereas it is well structured, compartmentalized, and functional in eukaryotes. Cell organelles are present which are membrane-bound and have individual function in eukaryotic cells. Many organelles are absent in prokaryotic cells. In prokaryotes, the cell division takes place through conjugation, transformation, and transduction. But in eukaryote, it is through the process of cell division. The process of transcription and translation occurs together, and there is a single origin of replication in the prokaryotic cell. On the other hand, there are multiple origin of replication and transcription occurs in nucleus and translation in the cytosol. Genetic material, such as the DNA, is circular and double-stranded in prokaryotes, but in eukaryotes, it is linear and double-stranded. Let's see if you learned something. Let us have self-evaluation. Number 1. What is cell? Number 2. Why cell is the basic units of life? Number 3. What is prokaryotic cell? Number 4. What is eukaryotic cell? And number 5. Give the similarities and differences of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Number 6. What is the importance of these lessons to our lives?
Thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something today. See you on the next lesson.